I'm going to go through the calculations for the standardization of the sodium hydroxide. All right, so the first thing you're supposed to do in part A is you just have to do this calculation. I'm not going to go through how to do that. You should know how to do that, and you can look it up. Or you can ask me on Zoom, and I can help you with it. Now, if you looked at the video, the titration video that Amanda, my colleague, did, this is the data. So we put 0.1314 grams of oxalic acid in a flask. We have filled a burette at red 0.40 mils. We added sodium hydroxide until it turned pink. The final reading was 20.60 mils, which means we added 20.20 mils of sodium hydroxide. Our goal is to find the molarity, of the sodium hydroxide. All right, so in order to do that, I'm going to walk you through each step. I'm not going to do the calculation at each step. So the first step on your data sheet, or in the data, is to calculate the moles of oxalic acid. Well, so this is 0.1314 grams of oxalic acid. Now you have different numbers, all right? And we use the molar mass, and remember it's the dihydrate. So we're going to use the molar mass that was given to you, 126.07 grams of oxalic acid. Now if you stop here, you would have the moles of oxalic acid, which would be, let's put it here, 0.000, 0.000, whoops, I'm sorry, 00. Too many zeros. 0.00, which is 0.001042 moles of oxalic acid. So that's the kind of thing you would put in that line on the data sheet. All right, the next calculation is the moles of sodium hydroxide. Well, from the balanced chemical equation up here, there are 2 moles of sodium hydroxide for every mole of oxalic acid. So cancel that out. Let's see, we're canceling here. So if we stopped here, we would have here 0.002084 moles of NaOH. And then the last step is we want the molarity. Well, that many moles was contained in that many milliliters. We want to put it in liters because molarity is moles per liter. So 0.02020 liters is 0.1032 molar NaOH, or moles of NaOH per liter. All right, so that's it for the calculations for the standardization. So we'll stop the video here, and then we'll do the last part.